Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm doing, kind of like my nighttime routine, nighttime clean with me. Okay, so what I do after the whole rough day, because listen, with 4 kids, yeah, it gets rough. So this is my nighttime routine, cleaning routine. That's what, not like my routine, but my cleaning routine at night before everybody retires back to bed and all. So if you're new on my channel and you're seeing this for the first time, you're seeing me for the first time, welcome. My name is Ada and I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, vlogs, cleaning, motivation and organization. I do so many hauls, from Amazon hauls to grocery hauls and all of that good stuff. So if that sounds like the type of content you love watching on YouTube, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell as well so you get notified each time I post a new video. So yeah, this is my nighttime cleaning routine when the kids are out and minding their business. That's if they will mind their business. But yeah, this is what I do at night when everywhere is just, they've all gone through their day craziness and all of that. So I do go ahead and clean up at night because I like waking up in the morning to a clean house. That makes the day start off good. That makes me feel better. So I just try like cleaning up at night and then before going back to bed. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys loved watching it. If you have any video suggestion, please leave that in the comment section down and I'll definitely do that. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already. Like this video, please share, leave a comment down below, and I'm grateful that you guys are watching, enjoying my videos, and we are growing. So thank you so much for watching. This is how my house will look, and then I'll have to go to bed peacefully and wake up peacefully sound. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.